Hello CS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so we have started with our chapter number 8, which is weather. So now let us continue with our chapter. So today we are going to see about water cycle and cloud formation. Yes, water cycle you have already studied in the previous classes, but cloud formation is a new topic. So let us see water cycle and cloud formation. First, water cycle. The sun plays a major role in the formation of clouds and rain through the water cycle. Yes, sun plays a major role in the formation of clouds as well as in water cycle. The sun heats up the water in the water bodies and changes it into water vapor. Yes, so water bodies such as rivers, lake, ocean, sea. Yes, so these are the water bodies which consist of water, and sun will heat up the water present in this water body, and then water will change into water vapor. As the vapor rises up, it cools and condenses to form tiny droplets of water around dust particles in air. Okay, so as the vapor, it will rise from its level. Then what will happen? It will cool down. So when the water vapor will cool down, the water, tiny droplets of water, they will gather around the dust particles in the air. These water droplets join together to form clouds. So these water droplets, they will join and they will form clouds. Okay. As more and more water droplets come closer, they join to form a bigger drop. When the clouds can no longer hold any more water, they become heavy and fall to the earth as rain. This in very cold areas. They fall as snow. The process is called precipitation. Yes, so what happens is the water that is present in the water bodies, it has been heated up by the sun, and when the water rises from its level, it will condense and cool down. So when it cools and condenses, what will happen? The water droplets are formed. Yes, water vapor is converted into small water droplets. This water droplets, they will come together and they will form a cloud. And in cold areas, when it falls in a form of snow, and this process is known as precipitation. Precipitation has a cooling effect on the weather of a place. So whenever snow will fall, we will feel cold. Yes, so here is the diagram of the water cycle. First, what is happening? Evaporation. You can see the water bodies are present. They have been evaporated because of the heat of the sun. Due to condensation, the water vapor is converted into small water droplets, and due to condensation, clouds are formed. When the cloud can no longer hold any other water drop, it will start to rain. So, and in a cold place, whenever it will rain, that water droplet will convert into snow. Okay, now we will study about seasons. Yes, we have different seasons. So now let us study how different seasons occurs. When a similar weather pattern continues for a long time in an area, it is called season. In India, we experience four main seasons in a year. They are summer, winter, autumn, and monsoon. So in India, the four main type of seasons are summer season, winter season, autumn, and monsoon. Okay, so now we will see why this different season they occur. Seasons occur due to revolution of the earth and tilted axis of earth. Yes, we know that the earth axis is tilted. So, revolution of the earth and its tilted axis. The revolution of the earth and the tilted axis of the earth causes season. During revolution, the tilt of the earth causes the upper part of the earth facing the sun to receive direct sunlight and has summer season. So, and the lower part receives less amount of sunlight and has winter season. Yes, so in this diagram you can see that the earth is little tilted. Yes, it is not straight, it is little, this is straight, this is tilted, it is little tilted. So because of that and because of the revolution around the sun, yes, you can see in the picture that the upper part of the sun, upper part of the earth receives more sunlight. So, at that time when the upper portion of the earth receives more sunlight, the upper portion will have summer season. And during that time, only the lower portion of the earth will receive less sunlight. So, it will have winter season. And you can see in the diagram that as the earth will move, the direction of the earth changes around. Yes, when it moves around the sun, the direction of the earth changes, and according to the presence of the earth's position towards the sun, the season will change. So, about 6 months later, the situation changes due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. The upper part of the earth, which early had summer, now receives less amount of sunlight and has winter season. The lower part of the earth, which early had winter season, now receives more sunlight and has summer season. So every 6 months the situation changes. So this way, because of the revolution of the earth around the sun and because the earth is tilted, we get different seasons. Okay, children, I hope you understood this much. Rest of the chapter we will continue in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.